These things I have spoken unto you, that in me ye might have peace. In the world ye shall have tribulation, but be of good cheer. I have overcome the world. May God bless you. Amen. Heng thu hi in hna ka soi to hi keima a hian in thlamuan na turin khovela hian hre omin in om thin nima sela thlamong takin om ro kein khovel ka ngam ta atia ama kan thlamuan na turin I suan thu asoi lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.